So now let's see how we can work around with the evaporate effect inside of HitFilm. So to access out the effect that is the evaporate animation effect, I'm going to go around under the effects tab right here. And once I do that, I'm going to go around onto the animation folder, as you can see right here. And over here, you can see that evaporate is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out over here on my footers right here, then what happens is that the evaporate effect is added in. And as I scroll down the timeline cursor, you can see that the evaporate effect is added in right here. So what you can do over here is you can go around and change around the reveal length. That is, you can go around and change it to, let's say, for example, reveal to 27% right here. And the length of the evaporate effect actually changes out right here. Then you got the conceal length over here just like this as well. So what happens is that it gets concealed for a longer period of time as well. So that is what you have. So you got one at the end right here just like this. So this is the end, and the beginning right here just like this. So you can go around and change out the conceal length right here just like this, or just remove out the conceal length. So conceal is at the end and reveal is at the beginning right here. So this is the beginning and this is the conceal, as you can see right here. So apart from that, what you can also do is you can work around with the seed right here. So if I were to go around and change around the seed, you can see that you can simply go around and change how it actually seems right here. So you can see that you can go around, change up the seed right here according to how you want right here. And what happens is that you get different variation of the same evaporation right here. And this is it. This is how you can work around with the evaporate animation effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.